Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Reasons with China. Big up our lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families. Enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Wagwan, how to do? Happy lazy Monday. Happy lazy Monday to you all. So how to do? Hope everybody good. Hope everybody all right. My love between me, I want to be not good, me not good. I'm not good at all. I am not good at all, my love. Me I talk to Uno, and my heart is very heavy, my love. My heart is very, very heavy. Because say, me come to tell you no bye you know, my love. Me come to tell all you no tata, you know, that see me again, my loves. Because me get tired of all of this here. We are going on the social media streets, you know, me love. I tired of the maliciousness, I tired of the bad mind, the jealousy, the enviousness, the whole heap of hatred we are gonna go over here, me love. I tired of it and I tell the all the world say I want to go to the pearly gates. And if I continue for the fire, me love, then I'm not gonna get to go through the pearly gates. You understand? So me pop me luggage now. Agnes not coming because Agnes can't leave my roof. So I just me herself, me love. We leaving. My love, so we're going away right now. We hand away, my love, because we're trying to find a new world for me herself, my love, because it look like I say everything we are gonna cover here is contagious. You understand me? It is very contagious and everything I take time I catch everybody one by one, little by little, two by two. So my love, so we had where we are now. We reach very, very far. Nothing can keep we back here, my love. Nothing can so nobody ball out, nobody beg out, no plea. Nothing can keep we back. We finally made up we mind and we're leaving. Agnes is not taking it too well, my love. But as I said, nothing can make we come back into ya. So I wish you know all the best in our all miserable world, but I don't want to be no part of this miserable world here anymore. I'm finding a new world for me myself. We sit back and relax at peace. You understand, my love? We don't love that kind of world here out here anymore. We want our world for ourselves. So, my love, as soon as I find the new world, you understand, I will make to know, say, me herself, we reach safe and sound, you understand? And I will file for Agnes if she change her mind so she can come. You understand, my loves? Oh, nobody cry too much, oh, nobody miss with too much. We make up with mind, nobody try convince if we come back. We make up with mind and nothing. Beloveds, me said nothing. And when me said nothing, me mean nothing at all can convince you make we turn back. You understand? Nothing can make we turn back, my love. We make up with mind. Ourselves happy. Well, I'm the my loves. Make her answer that call. Make her answer that call. Hello? Who this? Agnes? Agnes, you change your number so quick. Have what kind of strange number they say you call me pan Agnes? Come in and answer for your phone. That's why I write my first number. Oh. We leave out already, but by ourselves, we leave out and we the pan the way we reach far, far, far. We reach over one high continent, the middle of Hagalang, Hagalang. We there somewhere over Africa now, Hagalang in a taxi. You understand me, Agnes? So it don't make sense you call when I want to try if you convince if you turn back as I'm not turning back, Agnes. I already tell you a thing already and I'm not coming back. You cannot convince me. Oh, another thing I talk about. Oh, who know? If you check my phone. You said me one picture. All right, me I look. Hold on, Agnes. No hang up, hold on. No man, Agnes, no man, Agnes make you do yourself so. Agnes make you do yourself so, Agnes. Agnes make you do yourself so, no man, Agnes make you do yourself so, Agnes, I you know say me heart self, Agnes make you take up yourself so, Agnes be still not turn back. So it no make sense you do yourself so, Agnes you feel Miss Enid. Agnes, one of you. One of you. Then Agnes, who this year pick up sending me phone? I worry this year. Who? Merciful Father God, Agnes stop tell lie. Agnes stop tell lie. Who this year? Who believe you? Agnes, this is not curly. Agnes, this is not curly when me left in that the world with Uno. That is not curly. Agnes, who that? Curly? You lie, man. No, 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 no. So you want to tell me say they finally mad her? Merciful God, they finally mad her. Curly, they finally mad you. My God. All right, Agnes, when me reach in the next world, when me find it, I will call you back. You hear? I will call you back and we can talk from this. Eh? You know, don't? What? Me rotted. Then what you say? Hold on there, man. Hold on. You go too fast, Agnes. You're going too fast. Hold on. Breaks up, breaks up, breaks up. Mhm. Which one are the carol them? You must have mad. You must have mad, Agnes. Agnes, you're mad. No. You mix them up. You mix them up now. That the lady, the way you talk, she don't have them the kind of mouth there, Agnes. She don't have them the kind of mouth there. Furthermore, you know, see her in her phone like that unless you know she and lady D had one little something, but you don't see her, so nobody can trouble her if she come out here and cuss nobody. So no, Agnes, no man. Agnes, no tell no lie upon the lady. Who believe you again? Kiss the cross. Truly to God. Then I who trouble her, Agnes? Oh, who trouble her, Agnes? Who trouble her? A lie. The man in the dark, them has clash. Remember, say, I know one man in the dark, you know. I'm more than one, so I wish one of the two of them. Merciful God, merciful God. Agnes, the two of them. Merciful God. Hey, whoa, Jesus. Then I walk along, Agnes. Holy pan of nuffness. Then tell me, not tell me little by little, broke it down in our syllables, and tell me. You can't tell me. Merciful God. Then I saw you serious, Agnes. I so much same thing, I can. All kind of till you me box. So then um then Agnes, a long time we not got till you had got it. Me not think till you not behave. Then I who traveler. Jesus. Hey, Agnes, Pop Tory, give me Agnes when me reach. When me reach, you call me back. I don't know when me I reach Agnes because me don't know where the world are yet. I look where I go look for. But as where who? More people? My God. All right, Agnes. All right, hold on there, hold on there. Wait there, Agnes, wait there. Driver, one stop little bit there, driver, one stop little bit. Hold on there, Agnes. Self, me tell you, say, me never want left look on the amount of sitting when me miss out no self. And you can't see that because me tell you, say, me comfortable here so. Despite of everything, me comfortable here so. And you convince me to look on the amount of sitting where we left out. Self, me sorry, self, but me have to turn back. Self, me got to turn back. You understand? Me don't know if you want go on self and then when you find a new world, maybe we call look for you back and forth now and then, every now and then me a Agnes. But self I can't come, I can't leave all of this behind. And me promise Agnes that I will never leave her nor forsake her. So self I got to go back and holy person thing I got along self, holy person thing I can't miss out. You understand? So me just hope you understand. You're coming? Self nobody with the balling man. Nobody when we reach home we talk about it, alright? One other time we will go find one next real self. No, no, we can't be not already explorer right now, self. This is not the time nor the place for it. We got to go. Yes, Agnes, you're still there? Agnes, sit tight. Sit tight, my love. We're coming. Agnes, we're coming. Me and you like heckle to the jackal, Agnes. We're going to the people them yard. All of this can't pass. Baby, I am coming in. Yes, yes, my love. We finally reach back. Finally reach back. Agnes, I kill me with hug like she ought to hang me. Hey, Baba, hey, Baba. I say you miss me. There's support me need find the world. Anyway, my dear children, oh no, but I feel like I said, oh no, go hear everything in the one video. You understand? Oh no, hear everything into the one video. They're going to do it piece, piece. Anyway, we're not tarrying, so I over planka shop me end up, my dear children, over planka shop. But when we reach over the no lady D wasn't there. So me say fresh and me say John I me ask them which part lady D there and then tell me. So me tell her me now go find out because me no know that location there. So if one of them can drop me into the X6 then I would have really really appreciate it. My love, they were so kind enough to put me and Agnes into the X6. I you know we reach, you know, me and Agnes go in a place. Nice place, me love, me love. Nice, nice place, man. We are set up, you know, and them thing and things. So we realize now, say, Lady D friend, no, 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 Lady D friend, that I miss the Miss Carol lady. Yes, I fear her birthday did I go keep the yes, me dear. So you know we just go in and we hold we sit and sit down and admire the place and I look around and I take in the nicer scenery nice breeze a blow or something a uptown with it to your door, my love. Me a Agnes the uptown sit down in that place and take cool breeze. Me love we don't want to see it to we like a goat under cool shady. Me loves. No sir Agnes nothing now make me a your part. Nothing. We forever together to the end like Chucky, my love. Well, relax now, my love. I finally know things that go lady they attack and she a advertise and she a interview and so and so. At same time, now we say the nice lady come out, my love. When me hear say she a 60 and nearly kin over and nearly kin over, me say no lie. I said, oh no lying. This lady, she need to go find her birth paper. Lady, go find your birth paper and tap comply. You can tell people say you're 60, ma'am. You don't know when you're 60, my love. Nowhere near 60. You cannot fool us. You cannot fool us. Not today. Today is not Tom Fool Day. I shall not be fooled. I refuse to be fooled. And when me look round, me see one little decoration, something put up with the big 60 pan, and me say, oh my God, that's true. Oh God, that's true. She is 60. She's 60 for true. No, ma'am, lady. No, ma'am, lady. You're 60, you're not to look so. At 60, you're not supposed to look so, my love. You're not supposed to look so. You're supposed to look like some 50 odd year old people when me see in here. Well, look like say them a brush hand to 80 going on to 90. And so you're supposed to look, no 60-year-old not supposed to have, 30 and 40-year-old no run for them money, ma'am. You're not supposed to look so. I see some people into ya, me love. Them no, they know when you're 60 yet. You understand, me love? And if you like I say from the day them birth out of them parents' womb, hard life and sufferation take them to this day. At for them stage in a life, for them young stage as them call it, cause them say them young, for them very young stage, them feel senior cities. No man, no. No God, this unfair God, no God. Anyway, no, my loves, any who you know, me sit down, me a Agnes, and we admire the lady. We don't got woman tendencies, no, because we know here we say we admire with the lady. We do not got no woman tendency. So, we don't get nothing into uno head. We don't get nothing into uno head. We just admire how the lady look young and fresh for her age. You understand me, my love? So same time now, me start hum. You don't know the happy birthday song? Yes, my love. Same time now, I start to hum the happy birthday song. You understand, my love? Yes, I was humming and then I start to sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me love. I do even sing out the two part. Me no reach you know, and then me hear saucing things start go tat 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 tat. Me say no man Agnes hitch up on that one I table where the lady them did I decorate with the sheep and it made the children cause we never sure our Agnes said no chin make we go back go peep. I said Agnes you're sure? Agnes said yes. I said Agnes remember your foot oh remember your foot. Anyway, me love we come out and me love the cup we come out we realize is the lady emptying out her GLOCK. Me love we head back under the table because I never want to be grazed. No man, a who troubler. Me loves a who pay troubler because me no got everybody yard yet. I don't know who troubler. But them they breed up shout me there. Me kinda have an idea, but I don't sure. So and I go spread no propaganda. But no man me love she fling her, she dash her, she boss. My God. I said, no, this woman here don't have no motor. Where is Carol? Anybody see Carol? Me say, no, it's not she. This because she don't have them a kind of mouth, yeah. Somebody swap her when we then I look Agnes. No. And that's why me tell you all the while out there, no see the silent people, they wanna leave them alone. Leave them alone because silent river, it runs deep. I'm not listening. This is somebody I know. See, there you could have lose your 3 pounds. My love, you could have lose your 3 pounds because if me not enough for your situation, I don't know how say situation, but if me not enough for no situation, and me feel so shame and embarrassed of myself, mercy God, no man, no Jesus. The lady empty out, she rev it like a Rambo, my love, that even the smoke, you know, see. No God. She bad, I not lie. She bad. Me loves me under the table, I tremble, so till one of the time to me I tremble, me feel like I see a earthquake I keep. No man. The lady frightened me with her mouth, man, her mouth was see. Me could have see it pan her face, you know me love. And me can see it pan her lips. Say, I know smaddy with it tie with I want wassy smaddy, but you don't know say, what them say? Them say looks can be deceiving. You understand me, my dear children? Yeah, man, she did look like the waspy type, but I never know say she was so waspy. Everything where she say me love it connect like a Wi-Fi signal. Poor lady didn't know could even contain fear herself because how she a cool her down and a seek fi back up fi cool her down to no avail. That couldn't tap her. Her lady they a call fi back up, back up. Back up like Winston Bell. She can't get no backup can't come. She alone couldn't do it, my love. She tried, but she alone couldn't do it. But all me know that there's somebody there where she empty out so much pan. My love, me know that somebody there have to end up in the ICU. Hey, my loves, you know see how people cuss without using filthy or foul languages and it sting like a fatty leg. You know see them they kind of cussing there. No kind of bad word, no kind of bad word. No go up under your mummer, no go up under your pupper, no go up under your sister, your brother, your man, your husband, your wife, your entire generation. She never have to go up nowhere, my love. All she do, I come out with a cool and it hit like a high tension. Massy God, no. I afraid. And then you know, me love the worst part now, you know. The worst part now, you know, you see the people them who are make the problem out here. The people them who are create the problems out here, you know, me love them no in no position to make problem with nobody, you know. Eh? All age a catch up on them and they not learning. Retirement stage a play peekaboo with them and them not learning. Them don't know if it's sit back, relax, and observe and take a page out of the good progressive people them book. Not even the whole book, just take a sentence. Just a sentence after one of the leave them and see if you can use it and turn around on your life. But no, you come out here like a tick span cowballs. Them don't have a solid foundation. No for them are going to end up in an arms house. No for them are going to end up in an arms house. And it are going to be for them fault. Whole heap of them out here go suffer in them old stage. We can't see it. Because guess what? We don't know. People know no. Enough people no come out here come trouble. Enough people pick me and grand pick me. We don't come out here come mess with. I don't know say life have a way to surprise people. Enough of them pick me and grand pick me. I want to drag and a tear down past social media. Enough of them people I want to go after past social media. Them pick me them and then grand pick me them. I go be on nurses. Hey, them I go be on caregivers and them I go be on doctors. My love, I'm sorry for no. I'm sorry for no. Because a lot of people out here, my love, are very revengeful. Very. Some are uno. Some are uno. Congo where my gun yeah, no before no kick the bucket. Maggie I go take no before no kick the bucket. Fly I go swarm no before no kick the bucket. Answer God nyam no before no kick the bucket. Uno I go feel the wrath of DEATH and HELL before uno kick the bucket. All because uno behavior now. Reaction I go take uno. Karma is not always early. Karma is not always early. But trust and believe, karma come. Whether I don't want to believe it or not, whether karma early or karma late, it's knocking at your door whether you want to or not. Yes, you want to reach up in them stage there? You know, go meet on a doom because of your mouth and your behavior. You shall reap the harvest what you sow. No for you go turn around and name your own filter. Yeah, man. So you see when no time come for your taste your own medicine, you accept it gracefully. The same energy what you put out there, you to receive it same way. Receive it with grace. All because you can't get the lady. You go after people who close to her, people who she love, people who she care about, people who are in her corner. You tend to go after her, after them just to try to get to her. I don't still can't win. Hmm? You still can't win. Hmm? And I only like-minded people like yourself. People who are descendants of the rejects. The one them where God fling out of heaven. Yes. Are them descendants those? Are they so them must strive from? They so them must spring from? So the whole of no turn one way. So hence the reason them are gonna come out and support, you know. Because we are the same thing. We are the same thing, all know. I want to all. We are the same thing. So anything reach you know, fit take him and take it. We don't sorry for no. We don't sorry for no. I don't move now. Move and excuse out of decent people. We don't move, man. Move fire. Move up. No block no traffic. No block no traffic. Yes, so. Yeah, man. You don't know where you go. No, what you go no turn right. There's an enclosed another four little walls we surround on the right. That's one turn. Because for no attitude and behavior can't carry on nowhere. Nowhere but down the road of self-destruction. Right in the cage, they saw no stay, my love. Every year are the same thing. No little newness, no little growth, no little development. At the same stage, you don't go forward, you don't go back. You don't 7, you don't 11, you just stuck. Just stuck so. Eh? My God, man. Anyways, my love. Me and Agnes, we got a lot of places to go, so we have to go continue with journey, my love, so that we can come with the rest of the tour with them. And we want to go find out is who travel Miss Carol out here. I need to know who travel Miss Carol. I don't know yet. I have an idea, but I don't want to spread no propaganda. You know me, loves. So me I go do for me like a research myself and find out, and I will come tell you who travel her. You understand? Anyways, my love, later, peace out, you know, and bye bye. Toodaloo, enjoy the rest of the day. I stay safe, all right? And please remember to like the video, like the video. Later on. Love you.